In order for your LG range to perform at its best, follow these steps to clean the burner head, caps, and grates on the cooktop to help extend the life of your range. A few warnings: do not clean the appliance with bleach. Do not use steel wool or scouring powders to clean the burner heads or caps. Do not hit the electrodes with anything hard. This can damage them. To prevent burns, wait until the cooktop has cooled down before touching any parts. The burners have removable heads and caps for easy cleaning. For even and unhampered flame, the slits on the burner heads must be kept clean. To clean the burner heads and caps, remove the grates from the range. Then remove the burner heads and caps. Soak them in a solution of mild liquid detergent and warm water for 20 to 30 minutes, and then clean them with a non-abrasive sponge. Use a toothbrush to get rid of stubborn stains and to clean out ports on the burner head. After cleaning heads and caps, shake out any excess water and let them dry thoroughly before reinstalling. A wet head or cap can prevent a burner from lighting. Replace the burner heads in the correct locations according to their size. Be sure that the hole on the burner is positioned over the electrode. Make sure that the burner caps are evenly seated on the top of the burner heads. If caps are not properly placed, the burner may not light or may produce uneven flames. The range consists of 3 separate professional-style grates. For maximum stability, grates should only be used in their proper positions. The side grates can be rotated from either side. The center grate can also be rotated from front to back. Do not operate a burner for an extended period of time without cookware on the grate. The finish on the grate might chip without cookware to absorb the heat. Wait until the grates are cool before lifting them out for cleaning. Wash the grates regularly, and after any spills, wash them in hot soapy water and rinse with clean water. Also, grates are dishwasher safe. After cleaning the grates, let them dry completely and then securely position them over the burners. Maintaining your cooktop grates, burner heads, and caps will ensure best performance from your LG gas range, so make sure to clean them frequently.